Welcome to Kevin's video on the Nominal Group Technique, a powerful method to enhance group decision-making. So what exactly is the Nominal Group Technique? It's a structured process that ensures every voice is heard and every idea is considered. It's especially useful in groups aiming to reach a consensus, solve problems, or generate creative solutions. Let's break it down. First, each participant writes down their ideas independently. This initial step is crucial as it minimizes the influence of dominant voices and encourages diverse thinking. After this, each idea is shared within the group in a round-robin format. This ensures equal participation and helps surface unique perspectives. Once all ideas are presented, the group engages in open discussion. This is the stage where questions are asked, clarifications are sought, and proposals are refined. The key here is to maintain a constructive environment, fostering an atmosphere where ideas can flourish and evolve. The next step involves ranking the ideas. Each participant privately ranks the ideas based on their preference or perceived importance. The rankings are then aggregated to identify the most favored solutions. This step not only democratizes the decision-making process, but also quantifies qualitative insights. So why use the nominal group technique? First, it mitigates common groupthink issues by giving each participant a chance to contribute independently. It also levels the playing field, preventing louder voices from overshadowing quieter ones. Additionally, it can enhance group productivity by focusing discussions and minimizing off-topic debates. Moreover, the nominal group technique builds consensus and commitment to the final decision, as everyone has participated in the decision-making process. It's highly flexible too. Whether in person or virtual, small or large groups, this technique adapts seamlessly. In summary, the nominal group technique is a valuable tool for any organization seeking to make collaborative decisions. It harnesses the collective brain power of the group efficiently and effectively.